Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking compatibility and freeing space so the installer can run. Do this now. Back up to iCloud or make an encrypted computer backup and verify it completes. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the device into power. Updates pause if the battery is low. Then open Settings, tap General, and choose Software Update to download the package. Keep the screen awake while it downloads so nothing interrupts the process. You should watch the download progress and avoid large downloads or streaming on the same network. When the update finishes, tap Install and if prompted, enter your device passcode to authorize changes. This confirms your identity. Read any permission prompts for new features so you understand system changes. Make sure to allow the device to restart automatically. Do not force shutdown. During installation, you'll see the Apple logo and a progress bar. That's normal. So wait patiently until it completes. Once the update finishes, follow on-screen setup steps and sign into your Apple ID when requested so services sync. Verify storage and battery health under Settings, then update apps in the App Store to ensure compatibility. If the device fails to boot or the update stalls, restart and try again. If problems persist, connect to a computer and use Finder or iTunes in recovery mode to reinstall iOS. This preserves data when possible. Otherwise, restore from the backup you made earlier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.